The techno wave is getting bigger and bigger, so let's make some techno today. Let's start off with a foundation. Let's start off with a kick and bass. We're gonna pick a kick from our new hyper sample pack. Let's use this one and just drop it in like this. Make the first one unique and hit reverse. Something like this. Then we're gonna pick a preset from the new pack. Let's use this one and just drop in a steady note. We're gonna work in F sharp. Something like this. And then just some small mixing. A little bit of compression. Add some more sub in the R bass. And make the low end mono. So together with the kick, the low end sounds like this. It's already really solid, so now we're gonna drop in the drum loop. Let's drop in this one to the second part of the drop. All together, something like this. Now we're gonna add some acid spice to it. So pick an acid preset for the pack. Let's use this one. So for an acid midi, drop in 1/16 notes. Like this. And then make some octave switches for the notes you want to put some more emphasis on. Like this. Also bump up the velocity. Something like this. And then just turn it into a 4-bar loop. And make some variations. Giving this effect. Then we're gonna mix it. First some distortion. Get rid of the low end to make room for the bass and kick. And then a big sidechain to fit it in the track. Still really heavy, so drop it in at a really low volume. Something like this. Could be a little bit louder. And then automate a mod wheel. Like this. To create some more movement in the track. I only want to have the acid playing in the first 8 bars. After that we're gonna drop in another element. So altogether the acid bass sounds like this. Then to give the track even more energy, we're gonna add a screech sound to it. So we got a lot of screeches in the pack as well. Let's use this one. Starting on a root note. And just create a simple rhythm. Yeah, that's dope. So now we're gonna mix it. First, of course, get rid of the low ends. Add a little bit of distortion. And again, clean up the low ends. Some delay. And a sidechain, of course. Then drop the volume. And mix it in. Yeah, that's perfect. So then we're gonna drop in an Edison and record a screech sound. Let's pick this part right here. Drop in FL Studio. Hit reverse. Create a fade in. Lower the volume. Giving this effect. So that's it for the screech. I got a really dope high energy foundation, but it misses something, so I hopped over this place and searched for a vocal and came across this one. It's a really dope rap vocal, so drop it in. Fit it to the tempo. It says 70, but we're gonna double it to 140.
I used to live in the struggle, but
something like this. I want to use this in the second part of the drop, right here, and I want to really distort it, giving us really cool vocal effects. Clean it up somewhere. Open up my hands a little bit, and add in a lot of reverb, delay, and a big sidechain. So together with the kick and bass, it sounds like this. So that's really dope. Now we're gonna spice it up with some more effects. So in hard techno, it's really common to use some more hardstyle kicks. So I found this sample and made this kick fill. So remove the original kicks. Something like this. Really dope fill. We're gonna drop it at the end of the drop as well. And I wanna drop it with a filter on the drop. So now it's time to arrange the drop. So I did a quick arrangement. I started off with a vocal. Then drop in a kick and bass with that same high pass filter. And start with a screech. Like this. And then to give it some more context, I added some more effects. So the uplifter, downlifter, impact, some ambiences, and another crowd, down and uplifter. So that's how you make a techno drop. I think the final result turned out really dope, so let me know what you think about it as well. If you want to stream it, it's linked down below as well. Check out the new Hyper Pack, and I'll see y'all in the next videos. My